Operating in today's administrative environment is very demanding. You try to run as efficiently as possible and provide the best service you can. But administration faces many challenges. Customers don't like to wait, and they get stressed if they don't get the service they need exactly the way they want it. Employees end up being either overworked or idle when workflows are chaotic and resources are poorly utilized. Meanwhile, you're expected to do more with less resources, while customer expectations just get higher. That's where Lean can help. Lean management is based on 4 principles. Originally developed in manufacturing, these 4 principles are today successfully applied to administration to ensure an efficient and effective information flow. The first principle is pull. Rather than pushing service requests on without oversight, each request is checked for wrong or missing information at the outset, so the service request is only pulled into the system when it is complete and ready for servicing. The second principle is one-piece flow. Instead of processing batches of requests at once, services are processed one at a time in the order that they are received. This ensures that requests are processed as fast as possible and minimizes individual customer waiting time. The third principle is tact. This is the pace of customer demand for services. It sets a rhythm or drumbeat by which the services need to be processed. Using tact, the resource allocation is balanced, so the amount of employees and other resources are aligned to the services that need them. The fourth principle is zero defects. Mistakes happen, but mistakes and missing information prevent the customer from getting the service that they need. So error detection and prevention is key to a lean administrative process. Potential errors are identified as quickly as possible and are corrected before further processing. Applying the 4 lean principles can help you increase customer satisfaction, maximize the service you can provide with your resources, and reduce stress on employees. Combined with a robust continuous improvement process, the 4 principles of lean management will help your company stay ahead of the competition in a constantly changing marketplace. So if you're ready to begin your lean journey, contact us today. Let us show you how lean can bring out the best in your business.